So if I realize that I have carried out an action in Excel and it was not really what I wanted to do, or I realize that I have made a mistake, I have a useful function, the undo function, we find here in the quick start bar, which undoes our last action. For example, it tells us that the last action I have carried out was to delete. I have deleted a cell. If I hit this button or hit Ctrl Z, I undo this last action. This can be very useful because it might be the case that I have completed an action that has taken a lot of work, and either by mistake or because I go wrong, I delete it. Also, this not only applies to the last action we have completed, but to the right of the undo button we have a drop-down menu where we can undo not only the last action but the previous actions. For example, I could undo writing when I wrote the number 23 in cell A1. Okay, so the actions are undone until reaching this point. It might be the case that the undo action itself is a mistake. In this case, I ave this other button to its right, which is the redo button, to redo what I have undone in the last action. By clicking the redo button, I would go through the different statuses that I have built in order. And in this way I have a safeguard against mistakes I might make with the keyboard at any given time.